Why are you leaving? But come back.
तू इतनी हॉट लग रही है कि कुछ हो रहा है मेरे को यार.
Ranveer, come back. I'm sorry, I'm just right now a little emotional because of what you said right now. I immediately started. Anyway. Thank you so much, guys, for being here today. This is such a big day. We are all so nervous, emotional. Like, it's such a big day for us. This has been such a long journey. And I know it's like we would have loved to have everybody over here, but because of COVID, like Ayan said, we had to keep the numbers tight. But seeing all your happy, smiling faces, although I really can't see your faces because of your mask, but through your eyes, it really means a lot. Like, I'm shaking right now.
So Alia, how are you feeling? अंदर से feeling क्या महसूस हो रही है?
अंदर से feeling, I mean, it's too much. मैं बहुत emotional हूँ. It's overwhelming. It's exciting.
इतना क्या? तू तो पोस्टर में भी नहीं है अभी तक. मतलब उसका पोस्टर आने वाला है. Good things, great things take time. And so why are you feeling so emotional?
Because you're on the poster, na, baby.
Achha.
Of course I'll be emotional. No, also because it's a big moment. Okay, so Ranveer and I and Ayan and actually the team of Brahmastra, we've been talking about this day for 4 years. कि एक दिन हमारा फिर पोस्टर लॉन्च होगा, ट्रेलर लॉन्च होगा, दुनिया को हम फिल्म दिखाएंगे. It's going to be like, when will that journey happen? We used to keep talking about it. And अब जब हम यहाँ हैं, I can't help but, you know, go back to when it all started.
When did it start? Do you even remember when it started?
Do you remember when it started?
I clearly remember when it started.
What do you remember? Acha, now you're showing so much this thing. Tell me the first day. I'm not talking about shoot. Huh? First day we started work on Brahmastra.
So you mean the first day that we started?
Yes, that we start.
2017, 1st of Jan, Israel, Tel Aviv. And I know there is a picture on your Instagram also that you put the next morning with a black ganji and a leather jacket, which by the way, she sent it to me 15 minutes before she put it on Instagram.
Huh? Yeah, started what?
देख भाई, मैं तेरे को भस्म कर दूंगा. I have the power of fire.
Okay, you remember.
Of course I remember.
Well done. I don't know what to say. I love you too. Okay, should we? I really want to start talking to all of you all. Should we do the questions?
But before we, Alia, like I've been hearing, and all you guys have also been hearing, what is this new thing of RRR and this letter R? R से क्या relationship है तेरा? What is R?
What is R?
हाँ.
What are you asking me?
I said, what is R? Why do these people keep asking you R? जवाब दो.
क्या जवाब दूं?
जो भी सही है, जो भी truth है.
ट्रूथ ये है कि आर मेरे लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा नंबर 8 है. What does A mean to you?
A means Amitabh Bachchan. No, in all seriousness, A means Ayan Mukherjee. Let's call Ayan here. Yeah, we're missing him. Where is Ayan?
Yeah.
Ayan!
Ayan?
I think Ayan has fainted. He's been so overwhelmed
He's
by all
come
of
back.
this.
Okay, guys.
How many of you want to see Ayan doing Balam Pichkari step?
I don't even know this step. I swear I forgot.
Of course you know the step.
Sing. Balam pichkari.
जो तूने मुझे मारी के सीधी सादी चोर शराबी हो गई के जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ढुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी. I can't believe I know this step. I wasn't even in the film. I still know the step exactly.
अरे मेरा काम ये थोड़ी है, बिहाइंड द सीन्स काम है मेरा. एग्जैक्टली राइट.
तो यार अभी क्या करना है? Now we are here. This moment your poster has released.
Big
What's
hug,
the
guys,
feeling?
first.
Yeah. Let's hug all of them.
Acha, first can I ask you guys one question? How did you like the motion poster, honestly? How is it? It looked like a magnum opus to you. Let me take some reactions now. I really want to know what you felt. It's good. Slowly, slowly.
भाई तू जिस तरह की क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा है मैं तेरे को टक्कर देने वाला हूँ. नहीं बोल दे यार.
Acha, theek hai. What I think we should do is, we have some questions, I believe, which we've collected over time. आप लोग ने भी कुछ questions drop किए थे. Let's take some questions. Some questions people had sent us. So we should do it, but I have no idea how to do it. Somebody has to. Mantra, Dolly, aap log, you're back.
Check.
Please
Big
help
hand
us.
for Mandra and Dolly. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
You
you.
guys were amazing.
सर थैंक यू फॉर
रणवीर ने
डूइंग व्हाट यू
मेरा
डूइंग.
नाम ले लिया, मेरा दिन बन गया.
यहाँ पे सब कुछ चल रहा है और आप लोगों ने जो सवाल पूछे वो तो पूछे, बट आयन द ब्यूटी अबाउट दिस इज, यस वी कैन ऑल कम बैक. द ब्यूटी अबाउट दिस इवनिंग इज आपने सबको इसका हिस्सा बनाया, ना केवल यहाँ पे जितने लोग मौजूद हैं बल्कि साथ साथ यू रैन दिस एंटायर. मतलब सोशल मीडिया पे पीपल वर आस्किंग यू क्वेश्चन. देयर इज स्पेसिफिकली एक चीज देखी जा रही है आयन, यू वांट इट टू बी देयर फिल्म टू. इट इज देयर फिल्म एंड दैट्स व्हाई उन्होंने कुछ सवाल पूछे हैं जो सोशल मीडिया पे है. मैं पहले वो पूछता हूँ, फिर इनके भी सवाल आएंगे. फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर अयान. I don't know who sent this, but the question is very interesting. Ayan, what prompted you to change the title of the film from Dragon to Brahmastra? Wow.
Y'all knew when it was called Dragon, and so I don't know how it got out. I think maybe I mentioned it once on social media. Actually, Dragon जब फिल्म का टाइटल था तभी उतना सोचा नहीं था उसके बारे में, because Shiva in the film has the power of fire. I wrote the name Dragon on the script, but the film was always rooted and inspired by Indian culture, Indian history. So actually, the minute the time came to really give it a title, Brahmastra was always the right title for the film. But Dragon, only because power, fire, you know, China में film बनाते तो उसका नाम Dragon रखते.
We are with you on that, Ayan.
Chinese खाना खाते. Ranveer, my next question is to you. This is also from the fans on the internet. The question is that you've worked with Ayan so many times now. How easy or difficult it is to work with your best friend?
Oh God.
You know, he's a pain in the ass, like beyond a pain in the ass. He's such a hard taskmaster. But I think, you know, when we started out, we both were starting our careers in Wake Up Sid. And I think at that point in life, I really added something in his life, you know, as being part of Wake Up Sid. But I know this for a fact that today he really adds something to my life. And I'm really happy and proud that, you know, I'm working at the movies at the time of both these talents, Ayan and Alia, because I get so much from them. I'm so inspired by them. I love them so much. And I also get the opportunity to work with them.
ये दोस्ती बनी रहे हमेशा. जोरदार तालियां for this जोड़ी, guys. For this tikdi actually.
For this tigri, that's true. Alia, next question to you. I mean, you worked with the boys for the first time. Was it difficult? Did they bully you at all? Because you were joining
अरे
this
इसको कोई
gang.
bully
ये
नहीं कर
नानी माँ
सकता.
है किसी
Impossible. Impossible.
She the bully?
No, I'm not a bully, but they didn't bully me.
Okay.
Huh? She's the. No, I'm not the. Yeah, I mean, I would.
Yeah,
love
yeah,
to be
Alia's the boss.
Also, I think they really like, they like listening to me speak. They enjoy it also because sometimes I say silly things and they, get entertained by it. But there's only one boss on set, and that is Ayan. When Ayan is standing and talking, we like it that way. He is like, he runs the set. He's screaming on the mic, he's jumping on rocks, he's rolling on the floor. He's doing everything. He doesn't sit the whole day. Like, Ayan is just running the set, and we like to be there, We're like his...
This is only 50% true, let me tell you. Before we came out today, Alia was like, Ranbir will stand there, Ayan will stand here, Dolly Mantra will stand there. So it's a collaboration of bossiness.
Ayan is right.
That's true. Actually, I would
It's
say
a
number 1, number
collaboration.
2, and number 100.
Oh, number 100.
My
Okay.
little saint. He doesn't say anything.
All right, these are the questions जो हमको we found from the internet, but you guys asked some very interesting ones. और आप लोगों ने शुरुआत में you created that आपने
Imran, can
अपने
we have the question?
या सवाल डाले थे in the bowl, so let's bring that up. ये आपके सवाल हैं जो आप लोगों ने दिए हैं जो आज यहाँ पर आए हैं.
अपने सवालों के लिए ताली बजा लो.
क्या बढ़िया कलर
I
कोऑर्डिनेटेड है.
hope आपने अच्छे questions
बहुत
पूछे.
बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Okay.
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 The pinks for
Okay.
so one question each for all three of you. Actually, there are more, but अभी देखते हैं किसकी किस्मत
So
चमकती
the
है.
funny, not the funny thing, but the
When
fun
they
thing
leave it,
is,
I want this whole box. I'm going to take all these questions home. Have you all left your numbers and all in this? If you had, we would have sent you all
Why don't you
answers.
leave your
This
number?
brief wasn't
On
given
your
to
phone.
them, Ayan. ये missed opportunity है.
so who's answering first?
I think Ayan, we should. Can we start with? You want to start with
Ladies
Ayan?
first, let Alia go again.
Okay, Alia, go for it.
Let Alia go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Alia, can I?
Thank you, guys.
Oh, you picked up. Okay, go.
Can you hold? Okay, this is not a question, but a statement, but I'll still read it because it's sweet. It's from Sia. I love you, Alia. You're the best, prettiest, hottest girl. I love you. Sia, wherever
Sia, are you
are.
there? Sia is
Thank
there?
you so much. No one's ever called me hottest, prettiest, and best in the same sentence. Thank you. Have you ever called me hottest, prettiest, and sweetest in the same sentence?
No, not yet.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Ishita has asked a question. You are more than a star. Movie choices are the best. Can't wait to see Gangubai. Love you, Alia. Okay,
no
again,
question
not a
here.
question. But love you. Thank you so much. This could go on the whole evening.
अच्छा तीन
तीन है अभी ना.
तीन रखते हैं.
Alia Bhatt, thank you for constantly inspiring me to be confident. You are a beautiful actor and may you always remain the same. From Shirish Shrishti. Your note.
Thank
What's
you
your name?
so much, love. How sweet. Okay.
ठीक है, I'm
I
taking
think
a
you take
question.
over.
Yeah, it's time.
Now Ayan's turn.
Thank you so much.
ये YJHD का question है. आपको सुनना है आंसर? How was your experience shooting YJHD? Saira. Saira.
There she is.
मैं भूल गया इतने सालों में सब कुछ भूल गया मैं. Wake up said YJHD. बिल्कुल मेरे को steps भी याद नहीं है गानों के कुछ भी सब कुछ भूल गया मैं.
अब सिर्फ एक चीज याद है क्या?
Okay, next question.
Ranveer, let's take your question now.
Okay, one by one. Ranbir's.
I'll save it.
Okay, this is from Sia who says, I have come to meet you. I love you. You're the best. Where's Sia? Sia, I love you.
अरे सिया की क्या किस्मत
सिया
है?
की किस्मत.
मतलब
I'll
पूरी
keep this with me. Oh. Ranbir, when will you marry Alia? Or someone else? By Garima Jain. Garima, hi. Well, haven't we seen a lot of people getting married in the last 1 year? I think we should be happy with that. हमारी कब होगी?
Are you asking me?
I'm asking him, हमारी कब होगी?
आज के लिए एक ही डेट काफी है ब्रह्मास्त्र की रिलीज डेट. You know, let's wait.
एक और ले लूं?
Yeah, of course.
Just help me this. To Ranbir, thank you for giving us beautiful and memorable movies. Thank you for constantly inspiring me. May God bless you with a lot of happiness and love always. From Stuti. Stuti, I love you. Thank you so much.
How Sia and Stuti have gotten really both questions.
ये सारी वर्णियां उन्होंने तो नहीं भरी. बहुत ही कमाल है दोनों की.
Ayan, you want to ask one more question? Answer one more question?
Ranveer is enjoying this thing.
Yeah, Ranveer is going for it.
Go for
नहीं,
it.
नहीं,
Go
एक
for it.
चलो.
Guys, there's a lot of love in this. Thank you.